Dear students, in last session we had seen about different seasons. That is what Indian climate is, what we are calling the term as the Indian monsoon type of climate, and it consists of a different season. One is hot weather season, cold weather season, and rainy season. That is what the term called as advancing monsoon. And you can able to say that retreating season, that is what the transition, okay, when the monsoon is withdrawal, and that is what the transition season. And what we are going to see that what are the in India where this rainfall occurred in more than 2 or 400 centimeter, below 450 centimeter, what are the states, what is the reason, what are the things we are going to see in this session. Okay, and in this session what most probably we are going to see is advancing monsoon, about this rainy season. Okay, that is the thing, and it is nothing but southwest monsoon season. That is what why we are calling the term as a rainy season. And most probably it extends from June to September. That is what the southwest monsoon season or rainy season we can able to tell us, our advancing season. It extends from June to September. Most probably you know that how the low pressure and high pressure area created in the earth surface, and always because of water in the ocean, always there creates high pressure area, and land area, this low pressure area is created. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And at that, when the land is going to be moisture condition, and automatically the land is creating this high pressure area. That is the main thing you can able to tell us. So that only what we are calling as Indian monsoon, the winds are moving from the ocean side to the land part of area. Okay, so that only it receives heavy rainfall. You can able to say that so that only it receives heavy rainfall, and then you can able to say that reversal of winds from land area to sea area. That is the thing you can able to say that. And due to intense heating in northwest India creates low pressure region. That is the main thing you can able to tell that. And low pressure attract the wind from the surrounding region, and after having rains for a few days, sometimes this monsoon fails to occur for 1 or more weeks, is known as break in the monsoon. Okay, sometimes it is going for a break. Particularly you can able to find it now when the cyclone formation is in Bay of Bengal, and last week it is going for heavy rain, and now it is going for a break. And what after 24th they are telling that this cyclone is formed in this Bay of Bengal, and so Tamil Nadu we are receiving this heavy rainfall, and most probably Tamil Nadu we are receiving in northeast monsoon season. We are receiving rainfall based on this northeast monsoon season. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And most probably in India, that is what it extends from June to September. It takes the rainfall occurs in one place based on this how this low pressure area created. That is the main thing you can able to understand that. And next is by early June, that is what low pressure condition over the northern plains attract the trade winds of the southern hemisphere. That is what based on this trade winds only the movement occurs from one place to another. That is what low pressure area and the cyclone formation you can able to tell that. The southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical area of the southern ocean, and these winds are most probably strong, most probably blowing at an average velocity of 30 km per hour. Okay, you know that when the cyclone is occurred in this Bay of Bengal and wind is dominant, okay, that is sometimes it occurs 80 km per hour, 100 km per hour, 120 km per hour, the cyclone. So that only one cyclone if occurs, they are naming the cyclone, name of the cyclone is going to be named. Okay, and this name is given by other the country only. That is the thing you can able to understand that, because every country we are having agreement with this climatic condition. That is the main thing. Where the cyclone is there, every country is having because where how the cyclone formation we are seeing with the help of satellite imageries only. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. You can able to say that without satellite we cannot able to see the cyclone formation. We are able to predict in a correct manner with the help of satellite imageries only. Okay, that is what the thing. Otherwise we cannot able to predict. Most probably we are not able to shift the people to other the area, and most probably more disaster happen. So that only cyclone is a disaster only. Okay, and that is the thing you can able to say that if cyclone occurs, floods occur, and that we cannot able to stay in that place where the cyclone is the wind is traveling at the speed, okay, moves from one place to another. You can able to find that, you can able to find it. Then the news and all recent news, if you see that how the winds are traveling from one place to the another, that is what the term called as a trade winds also. With the exception of the extreme northwest monsoon winds cover the country in about a month, okay, in a month it is entirely cover entire India, that is what the thing. The southwest monsoon entirely changes the weather in India. The Western Ghats receives heavy rainfall more than 250 centimeters, so that we are having Western Ghats, that is the most probably we are receiving this rainfall now, okay. The rain shadow areas like Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh also receives rain. The northeastern part of the country receives the maximum rainfall, that is what the thing. In northeastern parts, this Mizoram, Meghalaya and all the parts of the area, it receives most probably maximum rain. This Mars syndrome in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hill receive the highest average rainfall in the world, okay. This what the region is the highest place in India. It is situated in Meghalaya state, okay, Meghalaya state. And Mars syndrome in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills receives the highest average rainfall, okay, in the world itself. In the world, if you are comparing, this Mars syndrome is the receiving the highest rainfall, okay, that is the thing. And before 10 years, if you see that the place what it is also situated in Meghalaya, and the place what they are calling as Sirabunji, okay, Sirabunji is the highest average rainfall in the world. Now the place is changed, so that only the climatic changes occurred in every area, you can able to find that. Now the place what they are calling here only, you can able to find that Mars syndrome is the place which is having the highest average rainfall in the world. And rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreases from east to the west, Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, and gets scanty rainfall. That is the thing you can able to say that. And how this breaks in rainfall is comes under, and most probably the monsoon rain take place only a few days at a time, okay. So that is the main thing. They are interspersed with the rainless interval. This break in monsoon are related to the movement of the monsoon trough. If monsoon trough is created, and most probably this trough always having the axis keep on moving northward or southward, which determines the spatial distribution of rainfall. Whenever this monsoon trough axis shifts closer to the Himalayas, most probably, okay, this monsoon trough is created in this very closer to Himalayas, and most probably widespread rain occur in the mountainous catchment area of the Himalayan rivers, which also cause floods, okay, that is what the thing. If monsoon trough is created nearby this Himalayan region, and most probably the rainfall will be heavy in northern plains, okay, that is nearby Himalayan rivers, and most probably the Himalayan rivers are getting flooded. Even Brahmaputra, you know that Brahmaputra, and you can able to say that Ganga, that is the river, is getting more flooded, okay. The frequency and intensity of tropical depression determine the amount and duration of monsoon rain. That is the main thing you can able to say that. This depression, okay, most probably this depression is created based on low pressure area and high pressure area between land and sea region, okay. This depression form at the Bay of Bengal and cross over to the mainland. That is the main thing. The depression follow the axis of monsoon trough of low pressure. It causes heavy floods in one part and drought in other part. If this monsoon trough is created and the depression is created in Bay of Bengal, and you can able to find that it causes heavy rainfall and it causes heavy flood in one part of India and the drought in the region. That is the main thing. And sometimes it disturbs the farming schedule also of millions of farmers. Farming schedule means the cropping pattern, okay, whether the cropping pattern what we are calling as the rabi crops, syed crops and kharif crops, okay, where the cultivation of crops for the farmers to the farmers. And most probably based on this breaks in rainfall, sometimes it disturbs the farming schedule of millions of farmers all over the country. That is the main thing you can able to say that. And next is this what the advancing monsoon rainy season. This what we are calling as a retreating monsoon season. This is what the transition season. That is what the term called as a transition season, okay. It extends from October to November, and most probably vertical sun rays start shifting towards northern hemisphere. You can able to tell that this area, northern plains, creates low pressure area. The low pressure region shift from northern parts of the India towards south, and to the condition high temperature and humidity. the weather becomes rather oppressive. Okay, this is what this is commonly known as October heat. Okay, that is what during October you can able to find this northern plains. Sometimes it occurs heavy heat. That is what based on the vertical sun rays sought from shifting towards the northern hemisphere, and low pressure region creates from this northern parts of India. That is the main thing you can able to say that. And based on this advancing monsoon, and you know that in Tamil Nadu we are receiving this northeast monsoon only, and next is what we are going to see, this distribution of rainfall, how this rainfall is distributed entire country. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And most probably the parts of western coast and northeastern India receive, most probably northeastern part only, they are receiving more than this 400 centimeter rainfall annually. In western Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab, it is less than 60 centimeter. You can able to find that. And rainfall is equally low in the interior part of the Deccan Plateau and the east of Sahyadris. Because of low precipitation found around lake in Jammu and Kashmir, the rest of the countries receives moderate rainfall. Because of this lake is created in Jammu and Kashmir, the moist condition, that is what the thing, low precipitation is created around lake in Jammu and Kashmir. The rest of the country receives moderate rainfall, and most probably snowfall is restricted to the Himalayan region. Okay, that is the thing. And based on the nature of monsoon, the annual rainfall is highly variable from year to year. That is the main thing. Sometimes the advancement of monsoon will come in India. Sometimes the failure also occurred. Okay, that is what I already told, that the El Nino formation is found in this Mediterranean Sea, and that is what the El Nino, you know that it is derived from Spanish word, that is birth of baby Christ. Okay, that is what the thing. And most probably if it is created in this Mediterranean part of the region, and most probably sometimes we are getting monsoon failure sometimes. Okay, that is the thing goes for. And this variability is high in the regions of low rainfall, such as parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and leeward side of the Western Ghats. You know that windward side and leeward side. Windward side is the wind moving towards that mountain region, what we are calling is the windward side. Leeward side, just opposite side of the mountain region. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. Similarly, the areas of high rainfall are often affected by floods. Areas of low rainfall are drought, and most probably drought prone area. That is what Rajasthan and all the things you can able to find that. Okay, that is the thing. And you can able to find that how this rainfall in particular states, how it is. Okay, that is what less than 50 centimeter and 50 to 100 centimeter and 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall, and greater than 200 centimeter you can able to find this northeastern states, and you can able to find this Western Ghats near from starting from this you can able to say that part of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and you can able to tell that up to Maharashtra because of this Western Ghats only. Okay, that is things we are receiving this more than 200 centimeter rainfall. That is the main thing you can able to say that. And completely in Tamil Nadu we are receiving on the basis of this northeast monsoon rain season. Okay, that is what northeast monsoon season only we are receiving more rainfall in Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is the thing you want to understand that. And if the rainfall based on this cyclone formation, you can able to find that low pressure and high pressure area, how it is changes, and reversal of wind. Okay, that is the main thing you can able to find that the rainfall is heavy in one place and most probably low in other place. That is based on if mountainous areas there, surely the rainfall is there because of the trade wind generated also. That is the main thing you can able to understand. And nearby coastal area, you know that cyclone is created from this coastal region, so that only this coastal area is going to be equable type of climate, and that is the main thing you can able to understand. Okay, and next is monsoon as a unifying bond. Okay, that is the thing you can able to say that. Then most probably the Himalayas protect the subcontinent from extremely cold winds from Central Asia. This enables northern India to have uniformly higher temperature when compared to other areas of the same latitude. The Peninsula Plateau, under the influence of the sea from three sides, has moderate temperature. Okay, Peninsula Plateau, that is what you can able to tell that. The unifying influence of the monsoon on the Indian subcontinent is quite perceptible. Okay, that is the thing. And seasonal alteration of this wind system and associated weather conditions provide a rhythmic cycle of season. That is what we are calling the rhythmic cycle: hot weather season, cold weather season, and rainy season. That is what retreating season. Okay, that is what the transition season. Some area it occurs, some area it is going for drought. Okay, that is what the thing. And the Indian landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agricultural calendar, and the life of the people, including their festivals, revolve around this phenomena, because monsoon, so that only monsoon is a unifying bar. If monsoon is failure, completely agriculture will be failure, and we cannot able to go for eating food also. That is the main thing. So that only we are completely dependent on monsoon, and most probably why the Indian climate, what we are calling as a monsoon type of climate. Okay, that is what the thing. And without a monsoon, we cannot able to have this seasons in a different manner. That is what the hot weather season, rainy season, even cold weather season. Okay, that is what the things goes for. And you can able to find the term what is meant by hot weather season and what is meant by cold weather season. Okay, that is what the thing. And what is meant by rainy season, and what is meant by retreating season, and what is meant by advancing season or rainy season, and when the monsoon is onset and when the monsoon is withdrawal in India. That is the thing what we had seen also. This ends with your session, and this ends with your chapter also. Okay, thank you for attention. Thank you.